Today we are going to make homemade candles. Let's start our video. First we are going to make crayons candle. First we need a glass tumbler. Next we need lemongrass oil which will be used as a fragrance for the candle. Now we need waste crayons and we need waste candles or wax. Now we'll take a bowl and add 4 candles. Now we'll add crayons. Sai, which color do you want?
I like orange.
Okay, add. Now take a spoon and stir it.
Yes.
Add lemongrass oil. Now we added orange color, next we'll add green color. We'll add wax and green crayons. Now we are going to make our second candle using water. For this candle we need marbles and stones, pearls, a glass bottle, lamp oil or vegetable oil, water, a candle wick, water.
Yes.
Now you can add some pearls or stones. Now add lamp oil. Add this wick.
Please subscribe.